How to add a like button in Wix. To add a like button in Wix, here's what you can do. Go to this address. Make sure that you select the like and share button over here. Scroll down a bit and edit the properties of your button for each field. Basically, this is the like button builder, so customize it however you want, or however you like your like button to look like. And this would be the result over here. Let's say, for example, let's change the color to black. And there we go. So basically, just customize all of these things here according to your preferences. And once you're done, select all that's written over here. So this is going to be the code. And then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Go to your Wix website and click on Add Elements, or the plus button on the sidebar. Select Embed Code and select Embed HTML. Press Ctrl+V on your keyboard and click on Update. You can close the window now, and you'll see that your like button has been added to your website. Just adjust it or position it properly on your website. And there you go. That's how you add a like button in Wix. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching.